What is up, you guys? My name is Izzy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the AIO bot for the Adidas Pharrel NMD Holi pack. First things first, guys, if you guys can do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button. Definitely helps me create more content for you guys in the near future. Second, and most importantly, go ahead and put the push notifications on so you guys are alerted every single time I put videos on here on YouTube. And third, but not last but not least, go ahead and like the video down below if it helps you guys. Alright, let's get back into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to talk about is the proxies. Proxies are a huge thing that definitely help you increase your chances on obtaining multiple pairs of shoes. And the proxies I'm going to be showing you guys today is obviously the Drop Club, which I always recommend in all my videos. And you want to go here, go to proxies, click on this plan, residential, and then pick your plan. I usually go with either 5 or 7, but I'm going to go with 5. Add it to cart, and then check out. Now for the discount code, you can actually use SellSneakerz now, guys. We actually are affiliated with them now, so we're helping them out and they help us out. So hit apply, and there you go. You got a 5% discount off, which is your amount. Right now I only have 2, but you guys understand. So make sure you guys use it at the checkout. Helps us out a little bit and also helps you guys out. So make sure you guys check that out. The other proxy service provider I want to use is my private proxy. You guys want to go to the dedicated servers. Click on any one that you guys want. Click on this $65 one. And then you get to pick your plan, 1 month, 3 months, and then the country you guys want, obviously United States for me, and then click any of these websites. I would use Adidas.com because that's the one that usually works with all of them. And yeah. Alright guys, so first things first, I like to go on SellLinks.com. I checked out the NMD ones. I got the website right here. The PID code is AC7034 for this specific shoe. It changes depending on what shoe you're gonna go for. Obviously, you guys have certain links right here that are available. You have Shop Nice Kicks and Adidas. You also have other ones from foreign countries or ones that are having online raffles, so that increases your chances. Alright, so I already have the Adidas one open. I'm going to go ahead and copy this code right here since I'll be going for this one. And or any other ones too. They all change too. You can check right here. So the PID code definitely changes throughout picking these things. So make sure you guys have the right one. Last but not least, you're going to want to open up your bot. I already have mine open. You want to go to configure. Go to proxies. Then you want to put new. Well, I already have my proxies on here, but I'm going to go ahead new list. Name your proxy list, whatever you want to call it. You want normal or monitor ones depending on what you want, and then go ahead and insert your proxies here. Make sure you guys enable this proxy list because you definitely want that, and then pick the website. If not, pick all sites depending on your proxies and which ones they're providing for, and then click save. Alrighty. Alright, so next things first, or next thing to do I should say, is click on Adidas, click on the guest, click OK. Positive key is going to be XXX. Early link is going to be the PID code, which I already have it here. Size, I'm going to go ahead and put 8.5, depending on what you want. And then, regards to pace runner, you got to do any of that stuff. Now, I also got a lot of comments and concerns about the whole HMAC destroyer. Guys, I understand you guys don't need the HMAC destroyer. I just use it because I'm impatient, and I feel like sometimes that does help me out. So people that have been saying stuff in my previous videos, guys, you do not need HMAC destroyer. I'm just labeling it because I get really impatient, and I feel like it helps me out in the long run. So once that's done, you guys just want to go for one pair, go ahead and put add. Now if you want to go ahead and put multiple pairs, you want to put mass create task. Pick a site, Adidas, early link, PID code, size, pick any sizes. You can put 8, and then you can put the and sign 9, depending if you want to go for either or, which ones are available. And the email link, I will go ahead and put that in if I were you guys, that or your text number, whatever you want to do, but I usually just put my email. The billing profile, you want to click either or. Right now, I either pick probably my debit card, and then number of tasks, go ahead and click, just say 7. 7 are created. Okay, close. Now, all you want to do is put create tasks. Now, when the splash page is live, guys, all you guys really want to do is just put start all tasks or Adidas tasks, depending, and after that, let your accounts log in. Now, if you guys get error codes for some reason, it's probably due to the fact that your proxy is either A, banned, or it's not connecting to the website or something. So make sure you guys have the information all set down, and then make sure you guys have your billing information too. Now I can't show you guys my stuff necessarily because I do have my information on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this real quick. But just make sure you guys fill it out. I'm actually gonna probably have it blurred, so I'll just blur it real quick. So I'm gonna put this one, or I'll put add or new. I'm sorry. So if you guys have a PayPal, go ahead and put that information down. Go on your credit cards. Make sure your billing address is the same one as your credit card. If you guys do not have the same billing address, you will get declined. The other thing I did want to talk about is you are able to card out multiple pairs using different shipping addresses. Now, my recommendation would be either, you know, providing the address from your neighbors if they're okay with that, or even using friends or specifically family. Now, that's what I usually do to help me get multiple pairs. And you can also use privacy.com is to make other multiple credit cards depending on how you want it to be or what you want to do. And then just make sure that your credit card information is all set, completely 100% authentic. Make sure everything is correct and the numbers, and make sure you double check everything. All right, guys. So then after the splash page is live, just you're gonna go ahead and want to start it. Now, if I were you guys, I wouldn't necessarily do it what's it called, checking out with your credit cards that much. I would actually do it manually just because I feel like I get better luck, and Adidas gives you 10 minutes to go ahead and check out. So it really just depends on how you guys feel. Another thing I would also recommend is make sure you go to your tools and you're opening the tools, go to open capture solver and hit the Adidas one. Now this is going to help you solve captures, guys. So make sure when you guys are running this bot, you guys are either doing that too, you are running this at the same time, and then being able to solve the captures fast enough so you guys can check out. Now, I'm not doing this right now, obviously, but make sure you guys do it. The other thing I wanted to discuss is you always want to make sure that your bot is always has the latest version. If you guys do not have the latest version, you guys are not going to be able to have the early links or stuff like that to help you out. Because I know the AIO bot does give you the release setup and etc. But I'm telling you guys how to do it specifically this way because this is the method that I do use now. Also with the whole HMAC destroyer. Now, when you guys get it carded, it should show things on your copped shoes. Like I said, make sure you guys do your browser checkout. I specifically like using that a lot better than just checking out with the credit card, just because I don't want a card being overcharged too many pairs and then everything getting all messed up for me. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button. Definitely helps me out. And make sure you guys go check out our Discord located down in the description. We try to help each other as a community, gain multiple pairs, and help each other out with information that isn't given out there to the public. So make sure you guys join that. We have 200 plus members and we are increasingly growing. So hopefully if you guys do that, you can help us get more notice. So guys, don't forget to check out that Drop Club Proxy stuff too. I'll use our discount code SellSneakerz. Definitely helps us out both. And I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.